I'm Alan and I'm the Communication and Rights Officer for YEPS. If you have an interest in creating content for social media or YouTube and gaining experience, have a listen to what Holly's got to say next with youth content creators at YEPS.
Hi, I'm Holly and I'm part of the YEPS content creators. You get to promote loads of different content for the YEPS social medias. That includes the website, articles, that includes Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, by having the opportunity to go to free events like concerts and do a review afterwards, and being in the park like Ponty Park and learning how to use a camera, different equipment. You get to meet loads of different young people, and it's all young people led. For more information on the YEPS content creators, follow the links below the YEPS website. Enjoy!